April is the month when European gardens go from maybe later to right. We are doing this now because this is prime planting season. The soil is warming up, the days are getting longer, and suddenly every seed packet in your shed is acting like it deserves your full attention. In this video, we're covering what to plant in April in Europe, which crops are perfect for direct sowing, what you should still start indoors, what you can transplant outside, and the biggest April gardening mistakes to avoid before your spring garden turns into a very leafy regret. Now, Europe is a big place, so timing is not exactly the same everywhere. If you are gardening in southern Europe, you are probably ahead. If you are in northern or colder parts of Europe, your garden may still be side-eyeing you with frost. So think of this as a smart April planting guide you can adjust for your local weather. And if you want instant help figuring out what to plant in your exact area, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can help you sort it out fast. You can grow it. Chapter 1. Why April is such a big gardening month in Europe. April is when things get serious. March is all about hope, mud, and pretending you have a plan. April is when the garden expects results. Across a lot of Europe, this is the sweet spot for sowing cool season crops, planting hardy vegetables, starting warm season crops indoors, and getting beds properly moving for the season ahead. The days are longer, the soil is usually more workable, and there is finally enough momentum to stop just staring at the garden and start bossing it around. This is the month where a few smart planting decisions can set up weeks and weeks of harvests later. And if you are not sure whether your garden is ready yet or still needs a minute, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can help you decide what to plant now and what can wait. Chapter 2. What to direct sow outdoors in April. April is a fantastic month for direct sowing, especially if your soil is workable and not acting like a cold, wet sponge. This is the perfect time for radishes, carrots, beetroot, turnips, spinach, lettuce, spring onions, peas, parsnips, chard, and dill in many parts of Europe. These are crops that do not need a dramatic indoor start. They are perfectly happy going straight into the ground and getting on with it. Radishes are one of the stars here because they grow fast, they make you feel productive immediately, and they are one of the few vegetables that believe in instant gratification. Carrots and parsnips also do better when direct sown because they do not love being transplanted. They like to stay put, stretch down, and become the underground legends they were born to be. Peas are another excellent April crop in much of Europe. Cool weather, fresh air, a bit of support, and they are ready to start climbing like they have ambitions. Chapter 3. Best salad crops to plant in April. If you want quick wins in April, go for salad crops. Lettuce, rocket, spinach, mustard greens, mixed salad leaves, and spring onions are all fantastic options for this month in many European gardens. These are the crops that make you feel like a gardening genius in record time. You sow them, they pop up, and before long you are out there harvesting your own lunch like you run a tiny edible empire. The best part is that you do not have to plant them all at once. In fact, please do not. Unless your dream is 17 heads of lettuce maturing on the same weekend. Sow a little every week or two and you get steady harvests instead of a full-blown salad emergency. Chapter 4. Root crops to plant in April. April is root crop season, and honestly, root crops are a lesson in trust. Because you put a seed in the ground, see almost nothing for a while, and just have to believe that somewhere down there, a vegetable is doing its best. This is a great time to sow carrots, beetroot, radishes, turnips, and parsnips in much of Europe. The key with root crops is loose soil. If your soil is compacted, rocky, or full of clumps, your roots can come out forked, stubby, or looking like they lost a fight underground. So before sowing, break up the soil nicely and remove big stones. We want crisp roots, not abstract art. And if your root crops keep coming out weird and judgmental, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can help you troubleshoot what is going wrong. Chapter 5. Brassicas to plant in April. April is also a strong month for brassicas, especially in cooler parts of Europe. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts can all be started or planted this time of year, depending on your climate and whether you are sowing indoors or transplanting out. These are your cool season workhorses. They love mild weather, they do not mind a bit of chill, and they are usually much happier now than they will be once summer starts throwing heat around like it has something to prove. If you are in a milder part of Europe, you may already be transplanting sturdy seedlings outside. In colder regions, you might still be starting them under cover first. The main thing is not to leave them cramped in trays forever. Brassicas do not enjoy sitting around indoors plotting resentment. Chapter 6. Potatoes and Onions in April. April is a classic month for potatoes and onions in many European gardens. If your soil is workable and not waterlogged, this is often a great time to plant potatoes. Early potatoes, second earlies, and main crop varieties may all be going in around this time, depending on where you are. There is something deeply satisfying about planting potatoes. You bury a weird-looking tuber, and a few months later it turns into dinner. Honestly, potatoes are one of gardening's best magic tricks. Onions, shallots, and onion sets are also excellent April jobs in much of Europe. They like cool conditions to get established, and this month gives them a solid start. Just do not crowd them. Tiny onion sets look harmless now, but future bulbs need room. Give them space or you will end up harvesting little onion pebbles and pretending that was the plan. Chapter 7. Herbs to plant in April. April is a great month to get herbs going, especially the hardy and useful ones that make your garden smell like you have your life together. Parsley, chives, coriander, dill, thyme, sage, and mint can all be part of the April planting picture, depending on your conditions. Hardier herbs are usually the easiest place to start. They are practical, productive, and much less emotionally exhausting than trying to rush basil outside in cold weather and then acting surprised when it sulks. If you are in a warmer part of Europe, you may also be starting more tender herbs. In cooler places, you might want to keep those indoors a little longer. And remember, mint is lovely, but plant it in a container unless you want it taking over the garden like a tiny green landlord. And if you are not sure which herbs are safe to plant now in your climate, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can help you choose the smart options. Chapter 8. What to start indoors in April. Now let's talk about the crops that still want an indoor head start. In many parts of Europe, April is a key month for starting tomatoes, courgettes, pumpkins, squash, cucumbers, and sometimes beans indoors or under protection, especially if your nights are still cool. These are the warm season divas. They want heat, they want comfort, and they absolutely do not want to be shoved outside too early just because you got excited after one sunny afternoon. Tomatoes especially are one of those crops people love to rush. And every year, a whole army of gardeners ends up with leggy tomato plants in the windowsill, wondering how it all got so out of hand. Start them at the right time, give them strong light, and let them grow steadily without turning your spare room into a tomato daycare center. In Chapter 9, Flowers and Pollinator Plants for April. April is not just about vegetables. It is also a fantastic time to get flowers and pollinator-friendly plants going. Calendula, nasturtiums, cornflowers, and other easy annuals can often be sown this time of year, depending on your climate. These bring in beneficial insects, brighten up the space, and make the garden look like it knows exactly what it is doing. Which, to be fair, is not always true. But flowers help. Nasturtiums are especially useful because they are pretty, edible, and can help distract pests away from some crops. That is not just a flower. That is a team player. Chapter 10. What not to plant too early in April. Now for the reality check. Just because it is April does not mean everything should go outside. Tender crops like basil, tomatoes, peppers, aubergines, courgettes, cucumbers, and beans may still need protection or indoor starts in many parts of Europe, especially if nights are cold or frost is still lurking around like a villain with unfinished business. One warm day in April can make people absolutely feral in the garden. Suddenly, everyone is planting like it is June. Then the temperature drops and the plants look personally betrayed. Do not let one sunny afternoon talk you into bad decisions. Watch the forecast, know your local frost risk, and ease tinder crops out only when conditions are actually on your side. Chapter 11. April Gardening Tips. A few April gardening tips that make life much easier. First, sow in small batches. Especially for salad crops, radishes, and other fast growers, a little now, a little later, and your harvests stay steady. Second, prepare your beds properly. Add compost, remove weeds early, and make sure the soil is ready before you start throwing seeds around like confetti. Third, protect young seedlings from slugs. Because while you are out there dreaming of harvests, slugs are out there planning a buffet. Fourth, label what you sow. Because April optimism has a way of turning every bed into a mystery novel by May. And finally, do not ignore watering just because it is spring. New seeds and seedlings still need consistency, especially if you get dry spells. And if you need help troubleshooting any of that, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can help you stay one step ahead. Chapter 12. April Gardening Mistakes to Avoid. April is full of opportunity, but it is also full of extremely confident mistakes. Mistake number 1. Planting warm season crops outside too early. Mistake number 2. Sowing everything all at once and then acting shocked when it all matures together in one giant leafy ambush. Mistake number 3. Forgetting spacing. Tiny seedlings turn into real plants, and future you will not enjoy untangling that mess. Mistake number 4. Working soil when it is too wet. If it sticks to your boots like cake batter, leave it alone. Mistake number 5. Ignoring pests early. Slugs, flea beetles, aphids, and all the garden troublemakers are waking up too. April rewards steady, smart planting. Not gardening panic with a seed packet in each hand. So, if you are wondering what to plant in April in Europe, start with the cool season winners. Direct sow crops like radishes, carrots, beetroot, peas, spinach, and lettuce. Get onions and potatoes going. Plant hardy herbs. Start brassicas and warm season crops at the right stage for your climate. And resist the urge to treat one sunny day like the official start of summer. Comment below and tell me what you are planting in April and where in Europe you are gardening, because April in southern Spain is a very different story from April in Scotland. And if you want help deciding what to plant next, when to sow it, or how to avoid the usual spring mistakes, check out the Strong Echo AI gardening app. You can grow it!